I came here looking for Valentine's Day stuff and somehow ended up very confused. Hey Fantastic family, welcome back guys to another video. So today I am browsing through Walmart for some Valentine's Day ideas and immediately realized that this is not your typical Valentine's Day setup. But before we reach that exciting part of the store, I am just going to go through and just show you guys everything that they have in store. So we have, the regular teddy bears, and I love teddy bears. So if you want to buy me a Valentine's Day gift, go ahead. You can get me a teddy bear. Oh my gosh, they are so cute. So cute. Also, they have these large cards, the jumbo cards. And for some reason, I'm getting like a Halloween from these items in Walmart. Like everywhere that I go, there's something that reminds me of Halloween. Like I've never seen this before. Or maybe I wasn't looking for it because last year I was in Walmart. But when I went there, it was closer to Valentine's Day, so most of the items were already gone. But I just feel like there's just too much Halloween stuff going on in Walmart. Alright, guys, so for our dog lovers, yes, they have some dog toys. And I was drawn to this area. I do not have a dog, but the items look really nice. They had like the little bone. I like that little one with the like a little donut. I think that was really cute. And here they have some stuff for the little ones. Yes, do you purchase Valentine's Day gifts for your little ones? Are you a boy mom, a girl mom? You got a boy and a girl? I'm a boy mom, and so I purchase stuff for my boys on Valentine's Day. I get them chocolate. Do you purchase gifts for your kids or not? If you do, drop it in the comments. If you do not, that's still fine. Drop that in the comment as well. And so guys, this was the part that kind of got me. Like, what in the weirdo is going on in Walmart? Like Chucky on Valentine's Day? I just find that weird, but cool at the same time. But I just feel like there's just too much creepy stuff going on in Walmart on Valentine's Day. We need Valentine's Day to be about love. Like, who want to see teddy bears and hearts? We want to see chocolate and roses. We do not want to see Chucky, because we all know about Chucky. That is pure nightmare right there, and I can't imagine anybody purchasing that for, well, I guess it's gonna be the person who is not your Valentine, because you could not bring that home to your Valentine's at all. Alright guys, so they have some nice cute pieces for the little girls. So if you got a girly girl, you can purchase one of these, and they also got for the boys as well. These are cute. I also like these. If you want to send like a nice little gift for your child's teacher, I think these are some cute ones that you can send. If not, then that is okay, but these are really cute for teachers. I think a teacher would appreciate those gifts. And guys, please remember to subscribe. If you have reached this far, please subscribe to my channel. Also give me a like. And now we're at the sweet part of Walmart. Yes, and of course there are sweets, there are chocolate, there are candy for the kids, lots of fun colors, small treats, things you can throw into a Valentine's bag. Well, this part makes a lot of sense, and I have no complaints about this section, because this is kind of my section, guys. I didn't know. Look at the KFC drumstick. That was fascinating too. But they have a lot of nice pieces, especially for the boys. Some of the pieces are hilarious as well. Look at the pickle and the mac and cheese and the fur. Really hilarious. And I'm so glad I came to Walmart by myself because I can't imagine having the kids in here. They would want everything on the shelf. And I really don't do too much candy. I don't do a lot of sweets with the kids, but like Valentine's Day, they'll get the chocolate. And like Halloween, they'll get a few pieces of candy. But throughout the year, it's like a no. Too much sugar? No. But let's focus back on Valentine's Day. All right, so now we are at the section for the chocolate, and they have a lot of kiddies chocolate. These are the more affordable ones for like $1 and some change. And the ones that we looked at before, they were a little bit pricey. I think they had some that were for like $11. But if you're on a budget, you can always get these. And you can send these for teachers as well. If you don't have it, you just send what you have. Trust and believe. People appreciate it. Even if it is for whoever you love, you're on a budget, go ahead and give what you can. All right. All right, so now you're at my section. This is the part that I like, and these are the chocolate that I like. So, with the teddy bear that you're going to buy me for Valentine's Day, you can also get me chocolate as well. I love chocolate, and I'm so glad I'm at Walmart today, which means I have an excuse to purchase chocolate. So, for all the people who are going out to get stuff for Valentine's Day, are you a team chocolate, team gummies, teddy bear, team just roses, flowers? What team are you on? And guys, go ahead and drop that in the comment section, and I will definitely engage with you in the comment section. And what do you guys think about this video? What are your finds here that you are actually going to go to Walmart to purchase? Also, remember the kids. Get something for the kids. If you're a boy mom, go get some of those chocolate with the ball on it, the soccer ball, the basketball. If you're a girl mom, grab something cute. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and until next time, bye guys.